I'm lounging in a lounge, having big boy discussions. Just making sure my kids ain't gotta resort to hustling. I'm chilling on resorts.
What would you suggest to people to? Because there's obviously going to be a lot of different viewers.
Yeah.
What would you suggest for people to hold more money? Like maybe it was something for you that helped with a mental switch. Like the year you made $1 million and didn't invest as you would now, right? What would be something you would suggest to people to have that discipline in place, save more money, invest more money?
Well, it's hard. Like that's tough, right? Like I think it's the AI. It's the AI Allen Iverson thing. Like AI made a bunch of money, blew all of it. Mm-hmm. Mike Tyson made a bunch of money, blew all of it. Yeah. When you come from a place where like you don't have it like that, as soon as you get it, you want to blow it. You want to blow through it. Doesn't matter how much it is, you're gonna blow through it. What I would suggest, I mean, first things first. Our boy Jordan. We both know a guy, Jordan. I don't know if you know Jordan. Yeah. I look up to this guy. This guy is like literally tame guy, nice guy. He saves his money. He spends his money correctly. Mm-hmm. Had I done that, I would have been like light years ahead of where I'm at right now. But because I was an idiot, right, I blew all my money. I don't blame myself because it's like that's partly just how I was like raised. But I think advice for people to hold their money, just realize it's not worth it. It's easy to say though, right? Because like you could be like, motherfucker, it is worth it. Like I seen your life, it looked fun. You just say it's like rich people will be like, oh, money isn't everything. Yeah. It's like, okay, but how do you know until you're rich? Right. You don't. Easier said than, yeah. So it's easy for me to be like, invest your money, be smart. Trust me, it's not worth it. But then people, as soon as they get the money, they're like,
nah, bro.
I want to see for myself.
Nah, bro. Right. I feel you, bro. Shit, man. Me and my BM blew through an M in the last fucking 14, 16 months, bro. Shit, part of the reason we got at where we at. Shit. But, I mean, yeah, dog. I feel that.